Hello, Gourd friends. I just wanted to put out a nice little video to say hello and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you. So I'm just sending out some seasonal greetings, and this video is just a little bit of what I have been doing over the past couple of months through just getting ready for the holidays and planning some things for the new year. So it's just a little bit of a vlog for you today. So hope you enjoy. It is getting colder and the gourd vines are dead after a few good frosts. Here we're going to clean up the area of vines and irrigation before the snow arrives. It is key if you want your gourds to harden. You have to cut them at the right time. And here the vines are completely dry and brown, and they're not pulling any more nutrients out of the ground. So it is safe to clip them off the vine and set them in a new place for them to dry for the winter. Woo! This is a big one. Look at that. My husband is cutting down some old limbs that had fallen to make room on the pallets for the gourds to dry. It is a fairly steep slope that I grow my gourds on, so we have to be careful when we're climbing up. But my husband's here to help me. Here I'm just passing him my gourds as I clip them off so he can put them on the pallets for me. Here my husband is pulling up the dead vines. It's all matted together and he can roll it up like a giant tumbleweed. And here he's pulling out the irrigation tubing. We don't want the freezing temperatures to damage the materials, so in order to extend the life, we just take it out for the year. I have a nice little crop here. So here are all the gourds that I grew this season. It's definitely turning colder now. I'm keeping the house warm with the wood stove. Pepper, my cat, likes to be near the warmth too. We harvested the gourds just in time, because shortly after that, we got a little snow. The snow is actually good for the drying gourds. You can see how easily the skin peels off now after the snow melted a bit. Back in this studio, I feel like I'm an elf in Santa's workshop. I'm making presents. Many are gourd gifts. I'm also working on class samples for the new year. And painting some Christmas cards. One of the tables in the studio has become my gift wrapping table. Here Mudgie's trying to help. My daughter put up her little Christmas tree in my studio. It has many ornaments that I made for her over the years. I made a Noah's Ark themed ornament of 2 animals every year since she was 2 years old. I'm still making her a yearly ornament, even though she's 26 years old now. I choose subjects that either we have had an encounter with or that she showed a particular affinity for that year. Okay, my friends, that is all for now. May you have a blessed holiday season, and I will see you in the new year.